Sales by customer report. You can generate sales reports by customer wise. Go to Customers, Reports, Sales by Customer. From report filters, you can select your customers. You can select single customer, or you can select range of customers. If you don't select any customer, system will display all customers' sales. You can select active customers, inactive customers, or both customers. From customer categories, you can select particular customer category. You can select range of customer categories. And if you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer categories. From report options, you can select a date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom dates, you can select date range. If you select all, system will display all date range sales report. You can view the date range from here. If you want to include credit notes to this report, you can check this option. If you include credit note, system will deduct credit notes from the sales. You can generate this report as a summary report or detailed report. First, we will select summary report. Click View. You can see Sales by Customer report. You can view the date range, start date and end date, number of pages in this report. You can view customer name, transaction date, transaction number, quantity and total selling price. Here you can see system has categorized or grouped by customer wise. And also you can view each customer total and you can view the grand total. Now in this report, you cannot view any credit notes. If you check this option and generate the report, credit note will include in the report. You can see some minus values there. That means credit note values. Now without credit notes, total is this customer total is 313,375. With credit notes, this customer total sales is 270 and 375. Next, you can generate detailed report. If you generate a detailed report, you can view each invoice item-wise sales. Now in previous reports, you can view only summary report, one line for one invoice. However, in this report, you can view item-wise, item line-wise invoice details. You can view transaction date, transaction number, and item. You can view item code and item description, quantity, and total sellings. Here we have generated with credit notes. Therefore, system will display credit note in the report. It will deduct from sales. In this report, 3 pages available. You can view next page from here by clicking arrows. You can move to previous page or next page. You can generate detailed report without credit note. Then credit notes will not include in this report. And you can download this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, and these formats. And also you can email this report. Here also, by clicking these links, you can view source document or original document.